Now what for the people for the world though? Now what for our black people? Now what? Oh what? Why it no why but what water? Person go cry come mat. Say me una put her for prayer. Una go dey spoil her. Una go dey spoil her. Una go dey spoil her. Why? Una go see say person something happen to her. Una go dey mock her. Because my pikin na they take her and I mock una come dey mock me now again. People call they come out now. One man come out now here because I go live video. That one boy come out when they call Bright. Bright will bribe me. Say my use this pikin when he did my back so. He say he want claim her because he know say I get document. He say he want claim her to be pikin. Because I know say Europe that they do blood test. I no fit do one. I no fit do one. Now if they talk and I say in my ma, in this, if they form allegation for my head. The father of the baby they Italy. That one now his name na God's power. You will be say you say your name na Bright. You will bribe me with 500 euros. Say you want use my pikin. Do I say I no go agree. Then they go talk say now you get the pikin. They go talk form allegation for my head. You they talk say that's why I be this. That's why I get this. That's why I get that. What you concern that one with what they happen now? What they say I beat my pikin. They waiting concern you accuse me, you know accuse. Why we be like this? Something go happen for person, go talk to another thing. We so people now go day one corner just to spoil the pump. Make the thing worse. What you want gain? If anything bad happen to me now, for example, now say, okay, as you come they mock me now, they want spoil my name now. They come they talk about me bad now. The one way you don't know about me, the one way you know now. What you want help me now? Or you want comment anything for my body? Now they make some woman they can't enter social media because of enough talk, enough something. You go can't enter. Maybe I be cry hard now. Make people help me now. As I see people the way that they accuse me, some people they say that I don't want marry. Now it cause some people they form allegation for my head. I know Europe law. I know what it is. I know my now me where should now me know how they pay me. Now me know the man way love me. Now me know the man way really love my children. Now me know my way they follow me because of documents. Now me know the man wey be say you know what they there for me, he won't scatter. This Bright way they talk so when you say it be my man, so when you now they feel say now true they talk so now lie. Now lie, my family no know. My family I talk and say I don't want to bring my issue come here, but somebody now you want push me because you want my talk. You want my talk because now thank God say now he use the mouth they find trouble. So because I be don't want to talk about him. Now he they find trouble now and he don't come push himself. I don't want that person use me shot now for say hey, person come bring in they come out to hey this girl a bad woman. But now person use the mouth bring himself come out now. And you will be say what if that they call you? I don't know what if that they call you this guy. When they do video now I just see you what if that they call you? I don't know what if this guy name Enogie. You will be say I know you for Ego Samuchi. Will be say even your house self you no get door. You will be say you no get on. Are you they talk about me? From Europe for years, say oh whoever says cigar, woman they smoke cigar. If you know say baby, he can't see before then he see. He did no man, he might what they okay, be or home. So that one not be anything. That one not be anything. No tamu wewe evi na ya accuse ni ya accuse so weak won me no na akabe accuse we na we na e sha ve ruwe no na ruwe no na ve bodane ekwe ma ve mu we na we gbe la dan live video we have do accuse me oh ye ikwo ni buya live video ni do abie we yan do atalo yan do we no ma keke ni na all do asie. You understand? Why courage woman? Why do you make the normal? Why to woman? Why would you frustrate woman? Why bomb wa? Okay, then why he we video na banner way? Okay, why ya hurt me? I be wa pity me na. Or to why do wa women me dana? Or why you only make baby wana? Or why only me lose woman na? That is all you want, abi? Only even no gualo abi no lose. Never me je me lose me back bona. O wa gualo. Ba me ne ne gian yan la diane. Or why ne ni yo a bright or what yen? Or what that for me? Or we or you know ya confess. So a bright in wahana nia or we your girl in your money biana when all the way blood testing. A bright in wahana or bribing me or where a side don't shade ya beer veganina more if you soon we got suspecting we are here beer mudako mevani. After we are deported in no money with 3 months we got a hammer a correct 3 months a bright in a calling me. Honor when it ya happy many don't beer beside the end. Ria be beside the bright. You give be a bright enough to bribe me with 500 euro. On our way, system, Benny. You know what? Yet, yourself force me. If we a family of yourself, you are my no sooner because my vapano, and you not tell me I will wine in here. So yet, the other family of a bag. Because yet, even the family of a calling me before, because told the man were walking in. Or Magumena, the own wa. But igi go to ekeni na mudu ajiya kan no bia no nyane no mo idi ina ya think back and even ya ga city me man the book here gossip because here ere no mo so either have a bright yeti one na la wo stop we wo nyamo you know gawa we be matter na also a problem me future here we gbe he we e wo nyane no mo na bright ba no understand so a bright ni ayegi mo na we blue that way imakwe no do we no heke no do moviere so a bright ogila diana we o do area ni me wana a brighty when we gwa we no we ma we oru we gbe emi no we unari aveni wa we ro we gbe because afa we no we kibene we anything with ibene emi no ri aro we gbo ro we gbe unari aveni we unata we ma o una omanota we ijie memehu something like that me do ya mitane emi no popo na yagbija wa ye yagbija le umo ge ba vi we many things ma yere we ladian imaye teme we my social media what about wo ge egbe we ladian na o so Ibia ya fefe fatiki wa bia na we maso ni bia rokpa yon to bori egbe la de na we video na ene na ye wa ya live video ame egbe give we menia oba me gbon ye we internet wo wa ibi me fo ibi me wa internet we fo fine o wa ni ya mu me egya mu internet yi abi nu gba travel na wa gbo na internet ro wa enwina o wa ya internet na nwina so wa ya di comment wa zeye na gbonta e agbon no ma wu ya gwa lo iye gwa le mi no ma da me abeg evi made we here ma we here ko ya oni amu we go to we ne enogie no mama enogie no re na o ma enu me then o ma call we ne de tori go here nu e ma na do atene gbe me we no ri me gba we ru we gbe wa we na toni o mo do ata live video we o ma me na eri o me mi eri o mo gi agbe eri o mo no na we no e na ni ka bi aru we gba ka be vie vele lu we ne anybody no ila dia ne live video mo so mi tayo egbe and nobody is perfect o no maternity on audio eveni me viere mana is that wa helping me in prayer you only me vive we egbe so anything una anything against me we more na share this video no over no what in bright na no women mi dana na yo we mi dana then so wala wo wa geso obo yon yamo yeti mo viere no ma yeti mo viere ya favor o ma ve gemli igwa we yeti toge I cannot do it a bright when he pay me 500 euro when he move your God's power ni now we eti move your God's power ni this is that and a bright Mario boy of kure baba we live video what do for me over comment your video na o ma word for me we manage here this ima wo ehia me ima wo me bright to many things ba so oga wo a problem me ehwe mu we me ehwe wa mu we me ehwe wa mu we kakabo because if ni your boy will know ni so build never know where they no my every year so build there we are from nowhere those scatter era maybe agbon me be man be beg me na video channel but agbon na ya here so ga me we any condition no I me man no phone so anything no really like it tayo me gbe ehwe mu me because o man no we dey ehwe mu yen like media o man no we ehwe mu yen like social media mo carry egbe me like there because if you don't need you don't have mo we give no so mo ka veri egbe la de we wala wo wa gume mo yerun we because ima only silent ima ni here because imo marokpa no ke me imo marokpa no tie me even no bo marokpa we lost a contact family me o ya me la mana we la wo wa epi me o a family me no lost a contact me try get and reach me so that we console me si so magi la die ne ori ameni wa pompi o we wo wa ni dey down for him na so even we really wish me o here serve egbu wa o because of remember war ragbon so uke so ari amon wa uke so awe video uke so ata we ri ogbigbo na jebe na oni so na uke so ari amon wa let's not later una to ge yo megbe agbon we oria nu ya geme ya fe okin won se uga mo ni me ria in anywhere because of viela there we gemi sunu da me una do woke nu mo ni me ria agbo ma we nu riri mo boy e se we bo na o